Want to learn how to create a gold foil Christmas ornament using the Procreate app? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do that. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where I share with you the best ways for you to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. This is one of the tutorials of my Christmas series for Procreate. In the previous tutorials, I shared how to use the Procreate Symmetry tool to create a Christmas ornament. We've then used that design to learn how to create a stamp, a Procreate stamp, using that ornament. And after that, we've learned how to create a gold foil pattern from scratch using the Procreate app. In this tutorial, we are going to use that gold foil pattern and apply it to give it a twist and apply it to a Christmas ornament. If you haven't and would like to watch the previous tutorials or grab a sample of this set, the links will be in the description below. Let's create a gold foil Christmassy ornament using the Procreate app. So I'm gonna open the Procreate app. I'm gonna use a screen size canvas to create this ornament. I'm using the technical brush from the Procreate app. It's a default brush and I'm using the color black. So to create our perfect circle, I'm just gonna draw the circle, hold, tap, and make it like this. Now I'm gonna fill it with the color black. Just gonna center it, okay. And now on top of this layer, I'm gonna add a new layer and change the mode to clipping mask. I'm gonna go to my adjustments, noise, I'm gonna increase it to 100%, change it to ridges, the scale will be 70%, octaves maximum and turbulence maximum. Perfect. Now on top of this layer, I'm gonna add a new layer, duplicate this one, just erase what's in there. And I'm gonna change its mode to color, like this one. And I'm gonna select a color to fill my ornament, so this bright yellow. And now with this layer selected, I'm gonna go to my adjustments. I'm gonna click on liquidify, the expand tool, and I'm just gonna expand like here in the middle to create this effect. Now I'm gonna add some light. So on top of this layer, I'm gonna add a new layer and create clipping mask. I'm gonna change its mode to add. And with the color white selected, I'm gonna use a monoline brush from the Procreate app. I'm gonna draw like this and like this. And now I'm gonna go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur, and blur this to create that shiny effect. Now I want to add some shadow to it, so I'm gonna go to this layer over here, gonna duplicate it, select this one, and now I'm gonna tap on Gaussian blur, blur this a little bit, like 15%, select, and place my shadow like this. And there you go, we've created the base for a gold foil Christmas ornament that you can use for your designs. And we are done. We have quickly and easily created a gold foil Christmas ornament using the Procreate app. In my next tutorial, I'm gonna share how to create a shiny and transparent Christmas ornament using the Procreate app. If you like Christmas stamps, check out my full Christmas stamp set for Procreate. Or you can just grab a sample of the set. The links will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next tutorial, happy drills and illustrations.